Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sport. Now the most notable features on this Sport is its AM/FM audio. You also have your aftermarket touch panel display, and then you have your running boards. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sport. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Sport is its daytime running lights. You also have your 16-inch wheels located just over on the side with your running boards, foldable mirrors. As you can see, you also have your soft top. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is red. Now, taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats, you have your cloth interior. And if we take a couple of moments here just to take a look at the steering wheel, as you can see, you have a couple of different options located on here. So you have the cruise control located just over on the right-hand side, and you also have your setup and reset just located over on there as well. Now, if you take a closer look, as you can see, you have your average fuel economy with your odometer reading located just over on the right-hand side. Taking a look, you have your aftermarket touch panel display area with your audio in that. So, as you can see, you have a couple of different options located in here. Bluetooth connectivity is located just down below there with your digital clock, and then you have a couple of different options located in here as well. So as you can see, you can go through many of the different options located just down below here. As you can see, you have your temperature control settings located down below with your hazard lights, traction control on and off, power outlet. You have the 4x4 select just located down below here as well, and it's matted to a manual transmission. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate area. As you can see, you do have your spare tire located just on the back there. You have your back tow hook just located on the left-hand side there, and then if you close in on the rear cargo space area, if you need more additional space, you can fold down that rear seat for yourself. And then if you take a look just underneath the floor here, you'll find your jack and toolkit located underneath here as well. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.